Hello friends, in today's video we'll learn how to find out the remainder of a very big number 2 power 101 divided by 15. 2 power 101 is a very big number. When divided by 15, what is the remainder? 3 power 75 is a very big number divided by 88. What is the remainder? So how to approach this type of question? First of all, let us understand what is remainder. When, for example, let's take 23 and divide by 7. 7 3s are 21. The remainder is 2. Now here there is a rule in remainder. If we have two numbers in multiplication and we have to divide by a certain number, what will be the remainder of this number? So either you multiply these two and then divide by 7, or you just divide the numbers individually and find out the remainder. 15 by 7 2s are 14, 1 remainder. So here the remainder is 1, and 16 when divided by 7, 7 2s are 14, the remainder is 2. The remainder of 15 divided by 7 is 1. Remainder of 16 divided by 7 is 2. Multiply this 2, the answer is 2. So the value of 15 into 16 divided by 7, the remainder will be 2. Let's check if it is correct or not. Multiplication of 15 and 16 is 15, 15, 225, 240. Divide by 7. Now let's check 240 when divided by 7, what will be the remainder? 7 3s are 21. 3, 7 4s are 28. So our remainder was correct. That is 2. Here also we get it. So instead of multiplying the number, we can individually find out the remainder and then we can multiply. We'll apply this particular concept here in this question. Let's take a number which is near 15. A power of 2 which is near to 15. The power of 2 which is near to 15 is 2 power 4. Because 2 power 4 is 16. When divided by 15, we'll give the remainder as 1. Now, how many times 2 power 101 can be broken into 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 4? How many times? So this will be broken into 25 times. 25 times. And then it will become 2 power 100. And still we have a 2 left. So in simple way, we can say that it is 2 power 4 power 25. 4 into 25 is 100. And 2 is left here. Now 2 power 4 is 16 power 25 into 2 divided by 15. Now you can understand easily that why we have taken a number which is near to 15, because when you divide 16 by 15, 16 by 15, the remainder will be 1. So here the remainder of 2 power 4 divided by 15 is 1. Here is also 1. So 1 will come 25 times, or maybe 1 power 25. Now when 2 divided by 15, it will give 2. 1 into 1 into 1, 25 times into 2. And the final answer is 2. So what we did, we broke this 2 power 101 into a number which is near 15, which is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 divided by 15 is 1. And 1 will come 25 times. Multiply by 2, it will give us 2. So the remainder of 2 power 101 divided by 15 is 2. Let's take an example, another example, 3 power 75. Break 3 power 75 into certain number which is near to 8. So we know that 3 ka square is 9. And now this 3 square can be written how many times? It will be written 37 times, because 75 divided by 2 gives us 37. 37 times. And 1 3 still left. 37 2s are 74. So we are getting 3 square which is 9. 3 square how many times? 37 times. 37 to the 74 multiply by 3. 3 square is 9. 9 power 37 into 3 divided by 8. Now when 9 divided by 8, we can calculate that 9 when divided by 8 gives us remainder as 1. So here the remainder is 1, which will come 37 times. And 3 when divided by 8 will give 3 only. 800. It will give 3 only. So the remainder will be 1 into 3. That will. So very big number, we can find the remainder very easily. Let's see another example. 5 power 35 divided by 26. In this case, we can write 5 square. We know that 5 square is 25. 35, the power can be written as 2 into 18 to the 36. So 2 into 17, 34, and 1 5 is left. Because 17 to the 34 and 1 35. Now 5 square is 25 power 17 into 5 divided by 26. Now when you divide 25 by 26, you will get 26 ones are 26 minus 1. Remainder is minus 1. This is an interesting concept. The remainder can be negative also, because the number which we are getting is more than this 25. So the remainder is -1. This is the remainder, -1. And the power of -1 is 17 into 5. -1 power 17 is -1 only. Multiply by 5. So we are getting -5. Now, if we have got the value as -5, what is that remainder representing? What is the value of remainder as -5? What does this signifies? -5 is actually, we can say that it is 26 minus 1, 26 plus that is 21. So simply just add the divisor here. If we get the negative remainder, add the divisor. -5 plus 26, we are getting 20. So I hope, friends, you have understood this particular concept. Try to solve this more examples of this type.